Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this one I'm taking you with me on a travel to the Schlögener Schlinge at the beautiful Danube River in Austria. On this trip I have of course my good old Fuji XT-2 with me and also the good old Fuji 18-55 kit lens to shoot some nice panorama and wide angle shots, but also because this kit lens is a great travel lens. But wait, what is the Schlögener Schlinge? This place basically has two U-turns of the river Danube between Wesenufer and Obermühl an der Donau, named after the village of Schlögen, and it is a popular destination for day trips. If you want to see the famous U-turns, you have to go up the mountain. But this time we didn't, because when we arrived it was raining unfortunately. So we decided to eat something first in the hotel restaurant. After that it was still a bit rainy, but not as much. So we went out again to travel to the other side of the Danube River with the small ferry. The ferry goes every 15 minutes there and it is really worth enjoying the view over the Danube River. And the ride is also very inexpensive. It only costs 2 euros per person. On the other side of the river you can go hiking, biking and enjoy the amazing view. Since it was raining and very cloudy, the sky was really boring and you guessed it, I used my favorite photo tool again, Lumina 4. Using the sky replacement tool of Lumina 4 I could make the panel shots a lot more interesting. With the latest update 4.3, Lumina is also now faster and editing these shots was really easy using the sky replacement and the excellent LUT option to give the images the final look. If you want to try the demo of Lumina 4 or to buy it, I have a link for you in the description of this video. Now that's nice, but what about the 18-55 kit lens? Don't worry, here is that part. I have already made quite a lot of videos about the 18-55 kit lens. Make sure to watch all of them if you are interested in buying one. This Fuji kit lens is really outstanding for the price. I bought mine used and it was worth every single cent. The versatile zoom range is perfect for traveling if you want to shoot wide, but also to have a zoom for photos and video. The kit is still very lightweight and you will be very thankful that you don't have to carry a ton with you. We always enjoy this place, the view is really epic, and the last time I was here in the winter I shot this panel with the Fujinon 50-142.8, which is an outstanding Fuji lens, but a lot heavier than the 18-55 kit lens. If you are just starting now with an XT3 or XT4, definitely also get the kit lens, you will not regret it. The XT4 also has IBIS and it will work together with the optical image stabilization in the 18-55. I hope you enjoyed this trip with me and it was useful for you. If so, don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.